We are seeing something right now that may in fact supercharge the crypto market, and by extension may actually make SHIB go on a little bit of a run. Now, we had a nice pop last night. We saw SHIB actually break out. It's come back down along with everything else, but I will say that we have also seen the third quietest day from this metric in terms of SHIB over the last 90 days. We need to talk about all that and more in this video. So if you guys are new or haven't already, hit that subscribe button, that bell. It's free to do. It'll keep you updated anytime there's new content live here on the channel. Now, this obviously sucks. I would love to see a sustained pump right here. I'd love to see SHIB just give us an instant confirmation of a breakout. Didn't get that. Unfortunately, after our breakout yesterday, nice hourly surge of about 2.9%, we did in fact see some overnight selling. Now, guys, this isn't SHIB alone. That's what you need to understand. We've seen everything in the crypto market do this exact same thing. It seems like BTC got a little bit of a push. We saw some liquidations take place across the crypto market, got a nice pop. And then, of course, overseas money just took profit. And maybe this has to do a little bit with that PTSD that we've been talking about time and time again. But the question is now, is this where SHIB stops for the day and starts correcting back up, or do we see a little bit more bleed? I do want to reference, we've been talking about this inverse head and shoulders playing out. We have had times where we've in fact breached, came back down, and loaded up for the next big push. Breached, came back down, loaded up for the big push. Is that what we're going to see? Like I talked about in my ADA video earlier today, we do have some events taking place this week that could cause a little bit of a stir in the market. We have Jerome Powell speaking tomorrow in front of a panel. We have non-farm payrolls on Wednesday. We have a jobs report on Thursday. And then we have obviously July 4th, which will be holiday. So we have a lot of things happening this week that definitely could cause some ups and downs. What I will say is that BTC is still not far away from actually breaking out once again. We did get a little bit of a breakout there, a little bit of a rejection. It's not surprising to see some pushback when we get to those levels. What I will say is currently USDT dominance is still broken down at the time of filming this video. This could be an indication of something that's set to come here. We'll have to watch and wait, right? I want to reference back here on May 24th, right? We broke down, came back, looked like we were going to surge back above it, and we got a rejection back down, a little bit of a surge for the market, all right? Now, something I want to show you guys is we are actually seeing some insane levels of short interest in the crypto market trying to hold it back. In fact, we have seen ETH shorts surge back to an all-time high. The last time this happened, ETH went on 120% run in 4 weeks. Guys, that is when SHIB made some really, really nice moves. That is when the ETH correction started. That is when ETH bottomed versus BTC. We had a lot of fun in the crypto market, and maybe that's what we're in store for again. I did want to mention as well, just looking at whale transactions here. Did you know that yesterday was actually the third quietest day of whale selling in the last 90 days? Actually, the day before that would have been the fifth quietest day. So whale activity is quieting down a lot. It's not like they're buying a huge amount right now. I mean, yes, they did buy 70 billion yesterday. They sold 9 billion. The day before they bought 26 billion. The day before, obviously, they sold 10.8 billion. So these are still positive net flows. They're really small though. But this lack of whale activity, it seems like they're kind of watching and waiting to see what the next push is going to be. Are we going to see this extension to the upside, or do we see a little bit of a retracement back down? What I will say is that SHIB is still kind of floating in this comfortable position right now. This is right where we have this big concentration of holders. I looked at the data this morning. Right now, there's about 16% of holders in the money, 17% of holders at the money. So this is a range that you typically don't see a lot of capitulation taking place. And what you need to understand right now is that SHIB is basically doing what everything else in the crypto market is doing. We're trying to push a breakout. We're trying to make an extension here. I will say right now it's putzing around. It's signal line on the daily stochastic RSI. Did want to show you guys on the weekly, we actually just got a bullish flip here. So this could actually be the start of a bigger move. Not saying it has to be, because we have had this before where we've gotten a little bit of a fake out here and there. And then, we just kind of continued to putz down. I want to reference back here to 2022. Obviously, that was a long time ago, but we'll have to watch and wait and see how the week progresses. A lot of things could cause some stirs. A lot of things could cause some pumps to take place too. So I appreciate you guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know your thoughts below. What do you think we're going to get this week? But have a great day. Catch you guys in the next one. Take care.